She's not overly pretty. Kasi 'di ba, I don't know if you get what I mean. May mga magaganda kasi na pagkita mo sa kanila, okay, maganda, sobrang ganda, tapos mauumay ka na sa kagandahan nila. Pero si Belle, you know that she's pretty, but then hindi siya nakakasawa. Plus her personality pa, she's so sweet and she's so hello po, ganun. Ang bait. Yan yung gusto ko, like with Belle, she's pretty, but she doesn't exaggerate or hindi niya pinapaalam na maganda ako. Diba? Belle, yun yung nagustuhan ko sa kanya. She is very real and she's very... Ang simple niya eh. Ang simple niya pero sobrang ganda niya talaga. Sobrang ganda. With Belle, she stands out. And she's not afraid to make fun of her nose. She has this cute round nose eh. I like it. Oo, it's nice. It's nice. I think she's an amazing actress and her eyes are very expressive. And her smile is very nice. Iba lang yung ini-exude niya na aura. She's very sweet, pero hindi siya yung pa-cute. She can blend in kahit saan. Well, no doubt she's a good actor.